Hey, so here we are, Chobham Common, a lovely place for a cycle, you may think. A few people, we've not had to deal with them, but unfortunately, last mile and a half from home, I have this minor little issue that's come up here, which is the chain is broken. Now, the good news is that my dear friend Seb here happens to carry every tool with him that the bike shop could, including a chain link, slitter, rejoiner, and spare link. So he's attempting at the moment, we're not attempting, he's going to put the chain back on to my cube bike so we can get home, and then it's going to go to Seb's youngest son, who is a bike mechanic, and he's going to do a full service on the bike for me, so it's all done. But fortunately, it's the end of our ride. We've done a couple of miles and we've just got a couple of miles home to go, so and a very pleasant New Year's Eve project. And if this doesn't work for any reason, then I'll be giving Amanda a call. Seb has just mentioned to me after doing the video that in his rucksack of tools he also has a completely spare chain. I mean, like everyone carries one when you're going on a bike ride. No, but Seb does. Perfect, that's what you need.